For weeks, astronomers have whispered about a message written not in words, but in the path of a stranger from the stars. 3I/Atlas, an object hurtling through our solar system, carrying with it the secrets of another world and confirming what many feared. We are not alone in the cosmic drift of debris and discovery. A silent traveler has entered our skies. 3I/Atlas, a messenger from another star system. Its arrival stirs both wonder and fear, forcing us to ask what secrets it carries and what it means for our place in the universe. They call it 3I/Atlas, and for a few weeks, it has been the thing that makes careful scientists and wild theorists speak in the same breath. It's not a rumor or a social media meme. It's an interstellar visitor, the third formally identified object to arrive here from another star system. And it's giving astronomers a rare, live lesson in how alien rubble behaves. When its orbit is traced backward, it clearly comes from outside our solar system. And every major observatory in the sky has turned toward it to learn what a traveler like this actually carries with it and what, if anything, it might mean for us. What the instruments are finding is simultaneously familiar and strange. Observatories, including Hubble, JWST, TESS, and the new SPHEREx mission, have all caught light from the object and read its chemical fingerprints. SPHEREx, in particular, detected a coma rich in carbon dioxide, along with signs of water ice in the nucleus, which argues that 3I/Atlas is not a polished probe, but a comet-like body whose outer layers were baked and processed before it was ejected from its home system. That composition is important. Carbon dioxide-dominant comas are uncommon and tell us something about the thermal history of the object and the environment where it formed. Some of the early online chatter went further, much further, spinning coincidences of orbital geometry into melodramas about intent and threat. A few high-profile voices suggested the possibility that 3I/Atlas might be artificial or even hostile. Those claims grabbed headlines and pushed public anxiety, but the scientific response has been methodical rather than apocalyptic. Multiple teams have now published or publicly shared analyses indicating the object behaves like a natural comet. It outgasses as it warms. Its trajectory is hyperbolic as expected for an interstellar body, and its closest approach to Earth will still be far outside any orbitally dangerous zone. NASA's public summary is blunt. 3I/Atlas presents no threat to Earth. That doesn't make the object boring. In fact, it's precisely the opposite. Observers have reported surprises. For instance, images from recent observations suggest the comet may be exhibiting an unusual green tint as it warms and releases different volatiles, a sign that observers are still peeling back layers of chemistry and behavior in real time. If the green hue holds up under scrutiny, it will be one more data point helping modelers understand how interstellar comets differ from or resemble the comets born in our own neighborhood. For the public appetite, this story has been a perfect storm: credible science, exotic provenance, and the minimalist fuel of uncertainty. Content creators have leaned into the dramatic phrasing, final transmissions, confirmed fears, and so on, because mystery sells. But science works by replacing drama with data, and that is happening now. Spectra, light curves, and thermal maps are arriving from instruments on the ground and in orbit. Teams are cross-checking the presence and ratios of volatile compounds, measuring the dust-to-gas output and modeling how the object's trajectory and rotation respond to asymmetric outgassing.